Hi, I'm Gavin Phillips. I'm a neuroscience major going down the integrative uh, concentration. So I chose neuro because in high school I took AP Chem and AP Psych, and I really loved kind of all of the kind of deep diving into the way neurotransmitters work and the way different chemicals interact and all of that. And when I was looking at what major to choose, I found neuroscience, which is just all of those parts that I loved kind of put in a nice, neat little package with a bow on top.
Love that.
My favorite neuroscience class I've taken so far was Neuroscience Research Methods. It was my first, like, really small, just neuroscience major classes, so there was a real big sense of community in the class. And on top of that, in the class, kind of the second half of it, we did Cures, which is undergraduate research experience. Um, and that was really cool to get the experience and get that kind of research side of it in a classroom setting, whereas getting those research experiences outside is really competitive, but in the class it was super easy and we just kind of did it as a class.